straight off the jumbo jet, straight off the jumbo jet. Happy Friday. Hope you are well today. And we partying straight off the jumbo jet. Straight off the plane. Straight off the plane. All right. Hello. Happy Friday to you. Hope you are doing well and you are keeping safe. And I am back with another Friday Facebook Live. Here we are. And what are we talking about today? Hopefully I'll get all your comments this time. So I'm talking about doing a quick September recap, and I am also talking about our upcoming October events. So in case you do not know who I am Esha, Carnivalista in Chief of Events by Ashe, where we create unique and life-changing Caribbean experiences such as Ultimate Trinidad Carnival, Ultimate Cropover, and the Eat, Dance, Travel series. And if you're joining me live, hello, drop me a comment below. Let me know how you're doing. How was your week? How was your month? I can't believe we are in October already. Like, whew, okay. But definitely going to talk to you guys about what's going on, what's coming up for us in October as a business from an Events by Ashe standpoint, and recap September. So let me dive right into the, oops, turn off my volume there. Good stuff. So let me dive right into the September update. So had a lot of things happen in September. I think that's probably why I feel it's been such a blur. There were a lot of really great things that happened. The first one of which, and I forgot to give you guys an update about this last week in my last Friday Facebook Live, but my detox, my physical, emotional, and mental detox. Who needs one of those? If you definitely need a detox, type detox in the comments, okay? There's just so much going on. And Tarik, my hubby Tarik, and I have been thinking about doing it for quite some time and decided to do it 3 weeks ago. So today is day 21 of our detox, and we're actually going to extend it another 5 days to next week, Wednesday. So it will be a 26-day detox in total. And I will definitely put the link to the book. I've talked about this pretty much every time I've talked about the clean program. I have mentioned the book, and it's called The Clean Book by Dr. Alejandro Younger. I think that's how you pronounce his name. And it is a very easy detox program to follow. It's not very hard at all. You can purchase your own food and make the recipes in the book and the smoothies and the soups in the book, or you can buy their program online. Their program is pricey. It's, $495 or something like that. But I've never purchased a program. I've just followed the recipes and the guidance in the book, and that has worked for me. Tarik and I have both done it a few times. At least this is probably our 4th time doing it over the last 6 to 7 years. And I've done it myself pretty much every time I felt like I needed a reset, like I was getting off of my eating plan or diet, or not a diet, but my guidelines, and I was feeling tired or sluggish. That's when I have decided to do it, and I've never been disappointed, ever been disappointed doing it. It's always worked out really, really well and has gone really well for us. So what detox benefits have I been seeing? I have honestly, mentally, my brain has been a lot clearer. The first week it was really hard. There were definitely some dips in energy because it's like an elimination diet. You eliminate a lot of the things that slow our metabolism down and make our gut unhealthy. So sugar, wheat, soy, eggs, dairy. I think I listed all the big ones. There's certain vegetables that are not a part of the diet, certain fruits that are not a part of the diet because they happen to be pesticide laden. So you're really trying to take the load, the toxic load of chemicals and stuff off of your organs so they can reset and refresh and start to function normally again. So definitely physically, I've definitely felt the effects of it. Lost a little weight, not that that was the goal, but I did. Sleeping is so much deeper. Like, I don't feel like I'm sleeping lightly anymore. I'm sleeping a lot deeper. So when I do wake up, I'm actually feeling refreshed, even though I've had less sleep than normal, or laying in bed less than normal. That's been really good. I've also tried to, as it recommends in the book, to start or up your exercise routine. So I've been doing that. I've been getting outside and walking more, doing my yoga, have been meditating daily, which I've been doing for a little while, but definitely doing longer meditations, and meditations in silence, because I would always do guided meditations, but I started doing meditations in silence more recently, and those have been working really, really well. So day 21, still going, still looking good, I think. And it's definitely been a really great benefit for me. For Tarik, he weighed himself last week, so that was on day 14, and he lost 15 pounds. His sleep has been really good. One of the things, and this happened for both of us, that the clean diet does, or the clean program does, is that it makes you more aware and more in tune with your hunger signals. So you may find that you might have, your smoothie for breakfast, and you're probably not feeling hungry like right through till 11, 12, and you're not craving anything. Like sometimes we think we're hungry, but maybe we're thirsty. So it really helps you to be in tune with your hunger signals. So anyway, detox is going well. It is ending on Wednesday, and yeah, we just had a really great detox, guys. So I did put the link for the book in the comments. As I said, you don't have to purchase the pricey program. You can just buy the book and follow the recipes, get the ingredients and follow the recipes yourself. There's lots of variety, and that's what I really love about the program. 2 liquid meals, one in the morning, one in the night, and then you have a lunch in the middle of the day. And you can do like my Auntie Faye, if you're watching, hi, who actually is just cooking the foods that are on the allowed list of the program, as opposed to following the recipes. Like, you can do that too. So she found out that curry powder is acceptable, so she's going to make some curry bodi, So there are things that you can do to tweak the program to your taste if you don't want to do the recipes, but that's really what it is. Who else is going to do the program? My mom is going to get started at some point, and I think her neighbor down the street is going to do it as well. So that is the detox. Detox is going really, really well. So also, on a personal note, I did finish 2 sewing projects in September. Yay! So excited to be back in my sewing room and creating more consistently again. It was kind of like start, stop, start, stop. I don't have time to sew. Okay, let's rush in there and do something. But I feel like maybe it's through the detox. A benefit of that has been being more mindful of how I'm spending my time and being more intentional about um, giving time towards more creative projects and more creative outlets. So the 2 projects that I did in September are a gray linen sleeveless top, and I'm going to save the pictures and show and tell for another video. And I also did an African print jumpsuit. The jumpsuit is amazing. The gray linen top is okay. It's just gray. It's just linen. And it's pretty, but the African print jumpsuit is just where it's at. Okay. So I'll definitely show you guys that in a future video. And hopefully I will have my current project that I'm working on, which is another African print mix. So it's 2 different prints in a full length kimono. And I think it's going to be a good layering piece because it's not quite cold here in Durham, North Carolina, but it's getting there, so I can still probably get away with that over a lightweight, like, 3/4 sleeve sweater like I am right now, and be outside in, 60-degree weather, 60, 70-degree weather. So that is on the personal note. Let's talk about what has happened this month from Events by Ashe. We had 2 huge launches this month, and let me just check for any comments or questions. And guys, please leave me a comment, leave me a question, say hello. Let me know that you're enjoying what I'm talking about. And if you need a detox, let me know. I can support you virtually with that. So yeah, back to the 2 big launches. So we had the staycations, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit later. And of course, the big launch last Friday on September the 25th was Ultimate Trinidad Carnival 2022. Yes, we are looking forward, staying positive, and moving forward with everything. And I will definitely put a link in here to Ultimate Trinidad Carnival for you guys to see. And visit our website. Our packages are live, including pricing, details, exactly what you're getting. So there's no guesswork. We pride ourselves on having a really clear website so you know exactly what you're getting for your money. Of course, as we have communicated time and time again, any monies paid towards any of our trips, Ultimate Trinidad Carnival, Ultimate Crop Over, and our Eat Dance Travel Series, will be refunded should the governments cancel these festivals, and that will have an effect on us, and we will refund you your money. So that is Ultimate Trinidad Carnival since our launch last week. So this is 1 week. We have already sold 17% of our rooms, guys. So hop on it. If you want to go with us in 2022, you want a really awesome payment plan that stretches things out for you, and you want something to look forward to during these challenging times, I get that, then definitely jump on board with us and click the link in the comments below. And it's been a really good launch this month for us. So let me get into the October events looking forward. So it's all about staycations, staycations, staycations. If you can use a staycation right now, definitely type yes in the comments. I want to know. I know I could use a staycation right now. So we have two of them coming up. One is in October, one is in November. And I'm going to talk about the first one, which is our Trinidad Carnival Staycay. And that is happening next weekend. So October the 10th to October the 12th, we are going to Trinidad Carnival Staycay mode. I will put the link in the chat here, and there is a special coupon code in there where you can save $5 off of your ticket, right? To join us at the Staycay next week. All right. So everybody loves discounts, right? So $5 off, my gift to you. All right. Um, so yeah, it is. What is the Trinidad Carnival Staycay? It's a mixture of stay-at-home events and time for yourself, so you're not in front of a device, your laptop, tablet, phone, whatever, for the entire weekend. I don't want you to do that because that's not a staycay. So it's a mixture of virtual events, a mixture of events that you can do on your own or with your friends. And it really is the closest that any of us will get to Trinidad Carnival because 2021 is officially, all carnival events are officially canceled. So which is why we are looking forward to 2022, although, we canceled ours a month ago. We knew what was going to happen, but it's okay. Everyone's still really sad right now, but Trinidad Carnival Staycay is your way to kind of get your little carnival fix in and hunker down until 2022. So let me tell you what events we're going to do in the Trinidad Carnival Staycay. We're going to have a soca zumba class, a day fete with live virtual performances by soca artists. And it's just going to be amazing. There's going to be costume window shopping. There's going to be a whole bunch of stuff over the course of the weekend where you can join in live with us virtually, or you can just do things with your girlfriends or whatever and just kind of hang out on your staycay. It's just going to be a lot of fun. And right now we do have a 2-for-1 ticket special happening. So grab yours today. The link is in the comments or it's in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. And we have another one coming in November, another staycation, and it's called Staycation Essentials for Essential Workers. And that's if, Trinidad Carnival is cool, but you want something that's a little bit more of a chill vibe where you can really unplug and relax, then that is going to be the staycation for you. And you can find links to all of those in the staycation event link that I posted below. So outside of that, in October, it is going to be a month full of cooking too. I am doing 2 cooking classes live this month of me cooking Caribbean food. So first we're going to go to Jamaica, where this Sunday I'm actually going to be cooking my jerkish chicken, steamed cabbage, and rice and peas. My mouth is watering already. So I'm really excited about that. And then on October 25th, I'm going to be making Trini bake and saltfish buljol. So if you're not familiar with saltfish itself, it is a cured cod fish, and it's cured with salt. So you do have to prepare it, in order to eat it, because it is a salted cod. So you don't eat it like that. You have to actually prepare it. But it is delicious. It is the best brunch, lunch, dinner, anytime really. At least I can eat it, and I'm sure you will be able to eat it too. But yes, you definitely want to join me during the month of October. You do not want to miss these cooking classes because they are going to be amazing. So I put the link to all of our cooking classes in there. And let me see if I have any comments here. All right, no comments. I'm going to keep on rolling. So, guys, pretty much that was everything that I needed to talk about. Thank you for watching today. Really appreciate you taking time out of your day to join me. And again, please like this video, share this video, and if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel because every single week I upload a Friday Facebook Live and also give you some goodies throughout the week. Sometimes it's 2 videos, sometimes it's 3 videos per week. It just depends on the week. But definitely subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Guys, have a good and a safe weekend. And I'm just going to play some music to get us out here. Some more bungee. Guys, thank you for watching. As always, till the next line.